Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
We will multiply numbers in different bases step by step. First, identify the base and list valid digits clearly. Digits vary by base. For example, base 10 uses 0 through 9 and base 2 uses 0 and 1. Write numbers aligned by place value. Write justified. Multiply each digit of the multiplier by the multiplicand, keeping place shifts in mind. Carry rules work the same way, but carry when you reach the base value. Convert letters to values. If needed, multiply single digits within their base, then add any prior carry. For example, in base 10, multiply 7 by 8 to get 56 and carry 5. When a product equals or exceeds the base, divide by the base and carry the quotient. In base 2, multiply 1 by 1 to get 1 with 0 carry. Use place shifts and add partial products in the same base to get the final result. Always perform final additions digit by digit with carries as needed. Example, 13 times 7 in base 8 equals calculate digit products and carries. First, convert digits. 1 and 3 in base 8 represent 1 and 3 in value. Multiply 3 by 7 to get 21 decimal, which is 25 in base 8. Write 5 carry 2. Then multiply 1 by 7 to get 7. Add carry 2 to get 11 decimal, which is 13 in base 8. Check results by converting to base 10. For example, convert base 8 to base 10 to verify accuracy. Practice with bases like 2, 8, 10, and 16, using digits and carries to build skill.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.